Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Maurice, and I'm about to check out Taylor Swift performing "I Don't Want to Live Forever" at Super Saturday Night. I don't know what event that is. Super Saturday Night. That's just a random name for an event. It sounds like a one time thing or whatever. But yeah. So it's just her doing a solo performance because originally this is a duo with her and Zayn, and yeah, I just checked that out like 2 days ago, and yeah, that's one of my favorites of hers. That's a dope ass song. So let's get into it.
I had a song that came out that I did with my friend Zane.
Yeah, they know what's up.
And it makes me so happy that you just screamed like that. And it would make him so happy that you just screamed like that because um, I'm not gonna like, I really don't want you to think that Zane's gonna come out. I saw a lot of phones go up and he's definitely not. The only one you have here is me. I'm so sorry. Um, But I feel like even though it's a duet, and even though my duet partner sadly is not here, even though we miss him so much and we wish he was here, I feel like it would be so sick to hear you guys sing this song with me, and it would be like we were doing a duet. Because I've never played this live before, and I would really like to if it's cool with you. Okay, that sounds like a yes. This is called I Want to Live Forever. You sing with me. Oh, 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 oh. I'm sitting eyes wide open behind these four walls, hoping you call.
Oh yeah, they know that song.
It's just a cool existence, like it's no point hoping at all. Baby, baby, I feel crazy all night, and every day. Give me something, oh, but just say nothing. What is happening to me? I don't wanna live forever.
Man, I love this
I know
song.
I'll be living in vain, and I don't wanna feel wherever. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home.
Hold on. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh,
That's the
till
part
you
I know.
come back home.
Oh, 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 oh.
I'm sitting eyes wide open, I got one thing stuck in my mind. Wondering if I dodged a bullet or just lost the love of my life. Oh, baby, baby, I feel crazy up all night, and every day. I gave you something, but you gave me nothing. What is happening to me? I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I'll be living in vain, and I don't wanna be wherever. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. Oh, 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 until you come back home. Oh, 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 oh.
I like this performance, but I want to see like the actual performance, like with her and Zayn.
I've been looking sad in all the nicest places.
Damn, it sound like they screaming more than they singing out there.
I see you around in all these empty spaces. I've been looking sad in all the nicest places. Now I'm in a cab, I tell them where you places. Oh, oh, I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I'll be sing the chorus with me one time, just us. I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I'll be living in vain. And I don't wanna live wherever, I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. Oh, till you come back home. Till you come back.
Hey, that was a good performance. I love, the crowd knew that one. The crowd knew that one. 'Cause I love. There was a couple times where you just hear the whole crowd just doing the background vocals and whatnot, which I thought was awesome. Crowd participation is what be best at those concerts. But yeah, I know Zayn. I was told Zayn also has him doing a live version of this song too. So I'm gonna check that one out. But I got to see them together doing an actual performance of it. I know that should be woo. I know that'd be good as hell. So I'm gonna definitely check that out. But yeah, this was Taylor Swift performing "I Don't Want to Live Forever." Thoughts on the song or the video? Comment down below. Let me know what you think. If there's a song or a video by Taylor Swift, by any other artist, or just a random video that you want me to check out in general, also throw that down in the comment section and I get to it when I can. Hey, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Check out my other videos. I really appreciate it. And as always, I will see y'all next time. Peace.